So I'm making up my tasks for the week for the boys. I got some pattern stuff, some cutting stuff for fine motor, mental blocks junior, it's good for logic, CVC word puzzles, alphabet bingo with uppercase letters, it's good for beginning sounds, dominoes, good for matching and other stuff. This is great. Set, it's great for visual perception. This is a latches board. It's great for fine motor skills. I forget what these things are called. I think it's like, I don't know. I'm not even gonna guess. But they're like little suction cups, and like we can put them on the doors, and they can pick them up and move them around. This is a learning without tears magnadoodle type thing. They can make their letters and then trace them with that pen. This is a Lakeshore logic puzzle. And I have some flashcards. This is like a phonics one, a rhyming one, and a super sentence making one. And then I put them in this iris bin that has these cases in it. So this is everything that I put in it for the week. And then we just change it out on Mondays. So that way they have something to do in between, like their one-on-one time. And if they can sit at the table, and if they need help, they have me.